I'm always excited to actually get into the laboratory and actually be working on things because fortunately with this specific project that I'm working on, it's fairly easy for me to see when I'm making progress in it. So like a part of it's building breakout boxes and connecting all the connectors inside of it. And so I just finished one of those the other day. Getting to actually like seal that up was pretty exciting. Hello, my name is Martin Mattis and I am from Puyallup, Washington. My project is onlining a Janus cold head system. It is a closed cycle refrigerator that has equipment set up inside of it so that we can take electroresistivity and magnetoresistivity measurements of different materials, and it'll be able to go down to about 4 Kelvin. Through building this apparatus, I've learned a lot of troubleshooting techniques. So when we're looking at interfacing our device with the off-the-shelf equipment, there are certain IEEE protocols that it has to be able to communicate with. And so understanding how that communication is happening and how to build a software that is able to translate between the signals that our system is outputting and that the instrument that's measuring everything understands is a part of that. Learning standard techniques for like producing in-house equipment is something that happens a lot in graduate level studies in physics, and so being able to solder things together and troubleshoot like when a system breaks down and being able to fix it yourselves is what I've been learning about. Something that's been frustrating in my research is that there are always difficulties when manufacturing equipment. Part of making the breakout box was I had little pins that were on one of the connectors, and the pins really didn't hook up well to any of the wiring that we had except for this very tiny magnet wire. So having to figure out how to strip the insulation off of this magnet wire without actually cutting the wire. So for the research I'm doing with Dr. White, I'm helping set up a new system to be used in his laboratory. And so this is a piece of equipment that students are going to be able to use for decades to come in future research projects. It's really setting up some groundwork for different experiments that they'll be able to perform and explore properties of materials at cold temperatures.